Hello and welcome back, team. My name is AJ, one of the mentors here at BitTrading, and today we are going to take a look at the price of Bitcoin. We're going to go through a short trade setup that I gave you guys here on YouTube on the Friday. We're also going to take a look at future price levels that I'm interested in trading to help you guys profit off of these price movements. So if that sounds interesting, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're new, and turn the bell notification on so you never ever miss another upload. And make sure you watch this video up until the end because, like I said, I'm going to give you guys some valuable information on how to profit off of these price movements. But enough of that, let's jump into the charts and see what is going on. So as we can see, okay, Monday morning, we are seeing the price of Bitcoin actually pull back, okay? And we have actually been anticipating this pullback, okay? Over the course of the weekend, yes, we didn't get much volatility in the markets, okay? That is to be expected. On the weekends, we just tend to see Bitcoin's volatility drop off and the price is pretty plateau, okay? But on Friday, I did give you guys here on YouTube a short trade setup, okay? And as you can see, that short trade setup is in some really, really nice profits, okay? So I just want to show you a little video from the video on Friday, okay, where I gave you this short trade setup, okay? So just watch this quickly. Okay, so personally for me, you know, it is a shorting opportunity here. Yes, okay, we could enter into a nice short position from here, but I would like to see some things actually occur, okay? I would actually like to see this high being taken here. There's going to be a lot of liquidity sat at this high, okay? So I would like to see if we could take out this high, still respect, you know, this GP and 786 level, okay? Possibly enter into the short here if we see the bearish confirmation and bearish confluence, and then we get that continuation towards the downside, okay? So this is a possible scenario that I am looking at, but I would just like to see us sweep this high right here, okay? Taking out the liquidity from up here, okay? And then we get that pullback from there, entering into the short, okay? So as you can see, okay, that was the short trade setup that I gave you guys here on YouTube, okay, on the Friday. Now, I don't tend to give setups like this on YouTube, okay? I tend to only give these setups to my Visionary members on the Visionary Discord, okay? But I gave you this setup. I was telling you what I was looking for, okay? I was saying, you know, coming into that GP, yes, we're looking bearish. We could expect a pullback. But personally, okay, I would like to see that liquidity being taken, okay, before I enter into that short position, okay? And everything I said there actually, you know, came into effect, okay? And as you can actually see, okay, this was the level we were looking at, okay? We wanted to see the liquidity being swept here, okay? Coming into the GP, what were we doing? Well, we were looking bearish on the CVD and the open interest, okay? We were looking bearish over here. Okay, and you know, I was saying, you know, all I want to see for me to enter into that short position is to see this liquidity here being swept, okay? And what happened, okay? We swept that liquidity perfectly. We swept it perfectly, still respected the 786 and the GP, okay, like I wanted it to, okay? What happened, okay, over the course of the weekend? Yes, price was pretty boring, but it was in a profit for the majority of the weekend. Monday morning hits, okay, and then we get that dump, okay? So we've been anticipating this dump, okay? And I've been telling you guys on YouTube, you know, I am looking to short this, and I'm telling you what I'm looking for as well. I also gave this short trade setup, okay, as I always do, to my Visionary members on that Visionary Discord, okay? As you can see here, I said very, very clearly, okay, I said I am short because I'm seeing local bearish CVD with bearish open interest, okay? And here is the setup that I gave my Visionary members, okay? So like I said, you know, I was looking for that liquidity sweep, okay? And we got that liquidity sweep, okay? And that for me was enough confluence, enough confirmation to fire in that short position, okay? And as we can see, that short position has yielded us some really, really nice profits, okay? Over 115% in a profit, okay? This was a very, very profitable short position for us. And like I said, I gave you this trade setup on the Friday, okay? In the YouTube video, okay? So make sure that you turn that bell notification on so you never ever miss trade updates like this, okay? Because you're not going to want to miss the next one. But yeah, for me, you know, I am still remaining short and chill, okay? We entered into the short here because we saw the bearish confirmation, bearish confluence, okay? So right now, we're just sitting on that short position, and I am personally targeting lower prices, okay? If you have any questions about do I enter the short now, I would say no, okay? You know, if you wanted to short, okay, you needed to short up here, you have missed that shorting opportunity. So right now for me, I am just remaining short and chill, okay? I'm waiting for lower prices, okay? My next target towards the downside is actually 27,000, okay? I would like to see 27,000 being tapped, okay? If 27,000 is tapped, okay, we see the bullish confirmation, bullish confluence. What am I going to do? I'm going to enter into a hedged long position, okay, obviously entering around this price here. Okay, but I want to see that bullish confirmation and bullish confluence, okay, like when we entered the short here, we saw the bearish confirmation and the bearish confluence, okay, to enter into that short position right there, okay. So I want to look for all of these things before I actually enter into a trade, okay. So that's the next level that I'm targeting towards the downside, okay, 27,000, okay. But this is not the only, you know, scenario that I am looking for, okay. I am also looking for possible short positions, okay, if we do see the price rise towards the upside, okay. And if you want access to my trades, okay, you know, when I'm giving my trades to the Visionary members on the Visionary Discord, then make sure you click the link in the description. It will take you over to bittrading.uk, click join BitTrading here, and you can gain access to that Visionary Discord, okay. Also, at some point in the video, okay, on the screen, there will be a code which will give you 1 month free access to that Visionary Discord, so make sure you take advantage of that. You can cancel it anytime as well, so you could just take advantage of that 1 month free access, okay, and then cancel it straight after, so it is risk-free. But yeah, I would highly suggest you take advantage of that. So yeah, for me, you know, the next level towards the downside, like I said, 27,000, possibly looking to long that. If we don't see the bullish confirmation, bullish confluence, then we're looking for lower prices, okay. Towards the upside, okay, on the 1 hour chart, okay, we're looking to possibly short 28,312. This is a possible shorting opportunity if I see the bearish confirmation, bearish confluence. If I don't see that, we're looking for higher prices, which are 28,623, okay. That's the next shorting opportunity that I see, okay. Like I said, we have to see the bearish confirmation, bearish confluence, okay. If we see that at this level, okay, then we can enter into the short, okay. If we don't see it, then we're targeting higher prices, okay. And the next level that I'm looking towards the upside is actually 29,000, okay, because we do have a value area low coming in at 29,000 from the previous range that we were in, okay. So yeah, for me right now, just remaining short and chill. I am targeting lower prices. I would like to see lower prices, okay, for Bitcoin. And of course, you know, I'm going to be taking TPs on the way down as that price pulls back or continues to pull back, okay. So yeah, let's actually just bring up this 4 hour chart here, okay, and have a look at what is going on with the 4 hour chart, okay, because on the 4 hour chart we are still within this massive 4 hour range, okay, massive 4 hour range. We did actually attempt to break it towards the upside here, okay, but we formed a failed auction, okay, and after that failed auction, what did we do? We entered into a short position, okay, and we made some really nice profits on this pullback right here, okay. As that price pulled back, what happened? Okay, well, we found support, okay, at the value area high, and we got 2 really nice bounces towards the upside, okay. But we came into the range high, okay, or previous range high, I should say here, and we found resistance, okay. Use this level as perfect resistance, and we are now getting a pullback from that level. Okay, so I've been telling you last week, okay, value area high is a level that I'm very interested in, okay, as in, okay, if we bounce off this level, okay, we could be targeting range high again, okay. But if we get accepted back into that value area high, then what are we doing? Well, we're targeting lower prices, okay. We have to target lower prices if we get accepted back into this value area high, okay. We could be targeting POC, value area low, okay. Even if we break those towards the downside, then we're targeting, you know, the low of the range at around 24,850, okay. So, you know, for me right now, it is looking more bearish than bullish because we formed the failed auction towards the upside of the you know, range high, okay, and then we're continuously getting rejected from the previous range high here, okay, and we are getting, you know, a pretty bearish reaction to tapping this level, as you can see right here. So for me, you know, I would, you know, I'm more on the bearish side than the bullish side right now. Now, I never, as a trader, you know, I never like to be overly bearish, overly bullish, okay. But for me, okay, we do just have to take into consideration that the price is looking fairly bearish coming into this level here, and we are actually seeing that bearish reaction happen right now, okay. So like I said, you know, if we come down to the value area high, we get accepted back below it, okay, we see something like this, then we're going to be targeting lower prices, okay. Now, I'm not going to enter into a short on this, okay. Why is that? Well, I'm already in a short position, so we're already taking advantage of that price action towards the downside. As you can see here, over 115% in a profit, so a very profitable trade. Like I said, if you want access to my you know, on the money trades, then make sure you click the link in the description, okay. It will take you over to bittrading.uk, click join BitTrading here, and you can gain access to that Visionary Discord where I give all of my trade setups away, okay. And you can, you know, you can go through and you can see all the previous trades we've taken, okay. So many of them have been so profitable, okay, as you can see here. Okay, of course, not every single one of them is profitable. Okay, I do have about an 80% win rate. Okay. Yeah, that is a really, really good win rate. Okay, no one can ever win 100% of their trades, and if they do, they are not telling the truth. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much all I've got for you today. You know, expecting lower prices, just remaining short and chill. That's my plan for now. Okay, if anything changes, of course, I will update you. So thank you very much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're new, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. So see you later, guys. Goodbye.